Welcome back to Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest trends and innovations in technology. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're exploring a fascinating concept that's changing the way we think about databases and application design. We're talking about the database inside-out approach, a design pattern that could revolutionize how we manage data in modern applications. So grab your headphones and let's get started. Let's jump right in. The database inside-out approach focuses on unbundling databases, which means integrating specialized storage and processing systems directly with application code. This isn't just a new architecture. It's a fresh design pattern inspired by established concepts in Dataflow and functional programming languages. Now, why does this matter? Traditional database designs often tightly couple application logic and state management with the database itself. This can create bottlenecks and inefficiencies, especially as applications grow. The database inside-out approach encourages a separation of concerns, allowing application logic to operate independently from the database. This independence fosters more dynamic interactions between the application and data management, resulting in systems that are not only more efficient, but also more resilient. One key point emphasized in this approach is the need for automatic updates and fault tolerance in modern data systems. In a world where data is constantly changing, relying on static databases can lead to outdated information and slow response times. By treating databases as active participants in state changes, we can create a more responsive and robust system. This is where the Dataflow approach comes into play. So what is a Dataflow approach? It utilizes asynchronous message streams instead of traditional synchronous microservices. This shift is significant because it enhances both performance and reliability. With asynchronous messaging, systems can process data more efficiently, allowing for smoother interactions and quicker responses. Imagine your application needs to handle a surge of requests. With synchronous microservices, each request waits for the previous one to finish, creating a bottleneck. But with a Dataflow approach, requests can be processed concurrently, leading to faster overall performance. This is particularly beneficial in environments where speed and reliability are crucial, like financial transactions or real-time data processing. Let's consider a practical application of this approach, recording exchange rates in a local database. Every time the exchange rate changes, it's recorded in a local database. This allows for faster and more reliable purchase processing since the application can perform local queries instead of relying on potentially slow, remote procedure calls. This method not only speeds up transactions, but also enhances robustness against service failures. However, as with any innovative approach, there are challenges to address. One significant issue is handling time dependence. When a purchase is made, the exchange rate might have already changed by the time the transaction is processed. This creates a need for accurate historical data reconstruction, which can be tricky. To tackle this, the author suggests using a stream join between purchase events and exchange rate updates, helping the system maintain a coherent view of the data as it changes. Now let's break down some benefits of this database inside-out approach further. First, by decoupling application logic from the database, developers can innovate more freely. They can experiment with different storage and processing systems without being constrained by a traditional database's limitations. This flexibility can lead to better performance optimizations and more tailored solutions for specific use cases. Second, focusing on asynchronous message streams improves fault tolerance. In a traditional setup, if one part of the system fails, it can bring down the entire application. But with a Dataflow approach, components can fail independently, allowing the system to continue operating, albeit with reduced functionality. This resilience is crucial for maintaining user trust and ensuring services remain available even under pressure. Lastly, treating databases as active participants means they can provide real-time insights and updates. Instead of waiting for batch processes to run, applications can react to data changes immediately. This capability can transform how businesses operate, enabling quicker decisions based on the most current information available. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that the database inside-out approach is more than just a theoretical concept. It's a practical framework that can lead to more efficient, resilient, and responsive applications. By unbundling databases and embracing a Dataflow model, developers can create systems that not only meet the demands of today's fast-paced digital landscape, but also adapt to future challenges. Whether you're a developer, a data architect, or just someone interested in the tech world, understanding these concepts will be invaluable as we move forward. The way we manage data is evolving, and those who embrace these changes will be at the forefront of innovation. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk Today. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the database inside-out approach and how you see it impacting the future of technology. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating.